Hey guys, how's it going? How to register to a vote in your state. So first of all, check eligibility. Ensure that you meet eligibility requirements, usually age, citizenship, residency. Okay. Second of all, go to Can I Vote right here or NASS .org. Okay. Slash I or can I sorry can slash I slash vote. Okay. And basically or your state's election office website, and you can register. Registration can be often done online, by mail, or in person. Select your preferred method and fill out the voter registration form, a form with your personal information submitted according to your chosen method, online, mail, or in person. And after a few weeks, verify your registration status through your state's election official website or office website, sorry, and make sure to register before your state's deadline. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.